Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, in this section, let us discuss about how to plot points in a Cartesian plane if the coordinates of that point are given. Both the x coordinate and y coordinates are given. So first step is, first you have to draw two perpendicular lines. One is horizontal and another one is vertical. The horizontal line is our x-axis x dash and the vertical line is y dash, that is y-axis. Then the intersection point of two axes is O, that is our origin. So then you have to take a scale. Let that scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit in both the axes. Then you have to mark the numbers. So towards OX and OY you have to mark positive numbers, and OY dash and OX dash are the negative directions of x-axis and y-axis. So you have to put negative numbers towards OY dash and OX dash. Then you will plot the points. So here is a point we have to plot P whose coordinates are 3 and 5. The x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 5. So x coordinate is 3 means the distance of that point from y axis is 3 unit. So this is along the x axis towards positive direction. So here we will take 1, 2, 3. So this is, let this point is A. So let this point is A. So from here the y coordinate is 5. So from point A we have to move 5 units parallel to the y-axis along the positive directions. So like this we have to move up to this. So this point is, so this is the point P having coordinates 3 and 5. So if we draw the perpendicular lines like this, so this is 3 unit and this is 5 unit. So the perpendicular distance of P from the y-axis is 3 unit, that is x coordinate, and the perpendicular distance of P from x-axis is 5 unit, that is the y coordinate. So like Q, so the x coordinate is 5. So we have to move along the x-axis towards positive direction, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let this point is B. So from point B we move towards y-axis, parallel to y-axis towards negative direction, as the y coordinate is negative -4 here. So we have to move in this way. So this is Q, that is, then again we join this line also. So this point is Q, that is 5 minus 4. So this is 5 unit and this is 4 unit. So the distance of Q from y-axis is 5 unit, that is the x coordinate, and the distance of Q from x-axis is 4 unit but in negative direction. So that is y coordinate is -4. So in this way we can plot the points in a Cartesian plane. So let us solve some examples. Example 3, locate the points 5, 0, 0, 5, 2, 5, 5, 2, -3, 5, -3, -5, 5, -3 and 6, 1 in the Cartesian plane. So this is our Cartesian plane. Two axes are x-axis and y-axis, and the units, the scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit in both the axes. So here first I have to plot the point 5, 0. So the x coordinate is 5. So you move along the x-axis towards positive direction, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from point 5, so y coordinate is 0. So that point will lie on x-axis. So this is, so let this is point A having coordinate A, 5, 0. Then 0, 5. So x coordinate is 0. That means we will move from origin. Then 5, y coordinate is 5. So we will move along y axis in the positive direction. 5 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this point is, so let this is B, 0, 5. 2, 5. So 2 is the x coordinate. So we will move along the x axis towards positive direction 2 unit. So then y coordinate is 5. So from point 2 here, so we have to move along the direction parallel to y axis towards positive direction. So here 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have to draw the perpendicular line. So this point is C, that is 2, 5. Then next is 5, 2. 5 is the x coordinate. We will move 5 along the x axis in positive direction. So this is 5. Then 2. 2 is our y coordinate. So we will move along the parallel line of y axis up to 2 unit. So this. So this point is our D, 5 and 2. Then minus 3, 5. So minus 3 is the x coordinate. So we have to move along the x axis in the negative direction, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Then y coordinate is 5 but in positive direction. So from this minus 3 point we have to move in positive direction. 1, minus 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So like this. So you have to draw the perpendicular lines. So here this distance is 5 unit and this is 3 unit. So this point is E, that is minus 3 and 5. So again minus 3, minus 5. X coordinate is minus 3. So this point is minus 3 along x axis towards negative direction. Then minus 5. Y coordinate is negative. So we have to move along the negative direction of y axis, but we have to draw a parallel line to y axis. So here for minus up to minus 5. So this. So this is point F, that is minus 3, minus 5. So again 6 and 1. So this is 6. Let this is extend this. So this is 6. So along x axis we have to go to the 6 unit, then 1. 1 is the positive. So here we will put. So this line is. So this point is 6 and 1. So in this way you can plot the points in a Cartesian plane. So here observe one thing, 5, 0 and 0, 5. The x coordinate, y coordinate has interchanged. X coordinate is here 5, here y coordinate is 5. Here y coordinate is 0, here x coordinate is 0. But these are different points. So if x is not equal to y, if x is the x coordinate and y is the y coordinate, then the point xy and yx are different. So from this we observe 2, 5 point is not equal to 5, 2. Minus 3, 5 is not equal to 5 minus 3. So like this. One point was left, 5 and minus 3. So 5 along the x axis, this is 5. Minus 3, we have to move towards negative direction. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So this is 5 minus 3. So this point is 5 minus 3. So example 4, plot the ordered pair xy of number h points in the Cartesian plane. So use the scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on the axis. So here this is our Cartesian plane. The horizontal axis is x dash and the vertical axis is y axis, that is y dash. And the unit in both the axes is 1 centimeter is 1 unit. So we have to plot the order pair like minus 3, 7. So this is a point, 0, minus 3, 5. This is a point, minus 1, minus 3 is a point, 4, 4 is a point, and 2, minus 3 is a point. So here the x are x coordinates and the y are the y coordinates. So first point is minus 3, 7. So x coordinate is minus 3. So we will move along x axis but in negative direction. So this is minus 3. So then y coordinate is 7. So from minus 3 we will move towards positive direction of y axis. So this is 7. So then we have to draw the perpendicular lines like this. So this is point minus 3, 7. Next point is 0 and minus 3.5. So 0 is our origin, then minus 3.5. So towards negative direction of y axis we have to move. So minus 3.5, that means this point. So this is 0 and minus 3.5. So next is minus 1, minus 3. So minus 1 is the x coordinate, so we will move along x axis towards negative direction. So this is our minus 1. So minus 1, minus 3. So minus 3 along y axis towards negative direction. So this is minus 3. So this is minus 1, minus 3. Then 4, 4. X coordinate is 4, y coordinate is 4. So x coordinate 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here we will move along the line parallel to y axis but towards positive direction. So this is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point will be. So we have to draw the line. So this is the point, that is 4, 4. Then 2 and minus 3. 2 is the x coordinate in the positive direction. So this is 2. Then minus 3 towards negative direction of y axis. So this point is minus 3. So if we join the perpendicular lines like this. So this is 2 and minus 3. So in this way we can plot points in a Cartesian plane.